Well, well. I see the menagerie is all here. You severed the threads of shadow binding my minions to Erebus itself. Impressive. You have always had an aptitude for necromancy, brother. A shame you renounced the practice. What strength it must have taken to defend this city. To dismantle my army. How little you must have remaining.
It need not come to this.
My quarrel is not with you, dear brother. Stand aside.
I will not forsake the people of the desert, or our half-siblings.
A pity, but it changes nothing. Even with your strength combined, you cannot stop me. Tumeken's heart, delivered to me by these mortals. His essence, reclaimed from the Soul Altar. And his bow, now whole. Though his name and shadow were lost long ago, through these he shall be restored.
Sister, please.
Our father will be reborn! His soul will be judged and condemned! I will have my vengeance! Curious how much power remains. It is overwhelming, far greater than I... No!
Be not afraid, mortal. I am what remains of the Lord of Light, God of the Sun, Tumeken. His memories, his essence coalesced. In life, I was the Sun incarnate. The entity you see before you is but a sliver of my former radiance. Amascut believed that once reformed, I would be weak enough for her to control. Through Scabarus's actions, she was mistaken. This form is unstable. I can maintain it for but a moment. Even were that not the case, in this state I am powerful enough to run afoul of the Green God's edicts and too weakened to defy them. It is within my power to extend this moment of time. Here, we may speak freely. I have seen your actions. You are an ally of my aspects, a champion of my people, and a friend of my son. You will show my daughter that mortal souls remain worthy of rebirth, despite the darkness that clouds her judgment. First, I must speak with my son.
Father?
Your watch has been long, Icthlorin. You have been unwavering in your duty, despite the tribulations you have faced. Such dedication and conviction is admirable. I am proud of you, my son. Your mother would be as well.
She left us many years ago. We do not even know if she lives.
I sense her resplendence in the deepest reaches of the plains. Her light has not dimmed, nor has her love for you and your sister, which shines brighter than ever.
She did not return to us.
Then returning was not possible without risking the safety of you, your sister, or of Gielinor itself.
I hope that what you say is true. I long to see her again. But we have more pressing concerns. What of Amascut?
She seeks to bury my empire beneath the sands, to devour the souls of my people. Resentment, spite, and anger have led her down a path of darkness. I have heard how she curses my name. My words will not reach her. Platitudes will not restore what she lost. Only action.
What do you propose?
I will sacrifice what remains of my essence. Part of it I shall gift to Amascut to restore what she sacrificed to Ma in my name. Only once she is whole again may she find peace. The remainder of my light I will entrust to you. For a short time, you will serve as my champion. My chosen. Should Amascut refuse to see reason to resume her duty, you will bring her in line. My time is at its end. You must save my daughter from herself. This is my final command.
I am to lose you again. Even the turning of the ages has not mended the wounds left by your passing.
While memories of the times we shared remain, I will live on. I ask only that you remember me, not as a god or an emperor, but as only you and your sister can. As a father.
I shall hold you in my heart until my final breath.
Goodbye, my son.
This warmth. I have not felt it since... Father?
He has returned to you what was sacrificed in his name.
He did? To be whole again. It is a wondrous feeling.
He wishes only the best for us. For you.
I must know what was said. About us. About me. Did he... Wait. That mortal. I sense the light of our father within them as well. Silence! I am not surprised that he spoke to you, brother. The one he indoctrinated into believing our chains were a blessing. But this mortal... Let us see if these delusions of grandeur can withstand the Devourer's maw.
Leave them, sister. You have reclaimed what was lost and found the retribution you yearn for. There is nothing more to gain from this.
Still you defend them. They who Father chose over us.
He cares for all children of the desert, mortal and divine alike. There is no conflict between us beyond that which you have orchestrated.
Yet he shares his final words with them and not I. How clear it is. Once again he has cast his life aside in my absence. Is he so ashamed that he would rather die than look upon me? I will not suffer this. Come, mortal. Prove that you are as worthy as they claim. That you have the will to stand against the vision of the goddess! Behold! The fate of this world! Rubble! So was I nothing to him? If I cannot judge his soul, then I will condemn yours in its place. All strength withers. Unworthy. Why would he choose me? Why? Your soul is weak. The God! The God! Oh! Destruction! Destruction! The knee. Enough! I will not be subjugated by a mortal! Your soul is mine!
this madness? It is over. You cannot win.
It is not over!
No!
Brother! You! How dare you! If it wasn't for you, he would not have... I would never have had to! Why would he throw his life away for that of a mortal? His soul was a beacon of light among a sea of darkness! Selfless, worthy, the only good left in this wretched world! He was too good for this life! Too good for me! My brother, the only one who refused to abandon me. How did it come to this? What is it he saw in you? That my father saw in you? Humility. It is among the strongest of virtues. Or so my father said, when he forced the role of goddess upon me. You came to the aid of the aspects, and cleansed our mother's gate of my influence. You defended the people of this land to the end. Empowered with my father's might, you proved a formidable adversary. My brother called you friend. Perhaps Ictharin was right. You are a candle fighting to illuminate the darkness of the world, as he was. Perhaps yours is a worthy soul. His divine essence. His Ka. Though our father perished, fragments of him remained. His Ib, Bao, Ka, Ren, and Shut. We are his children. It follows that we would also possess this trait. I renounced my duty long ago, but I am still the goddess of rebirth. If any can return him to life, it is I. It will cost great power. A sacrifice I am all too familiar with, that I've long resented. For him, it is a price that I'm willing to pay. Some of Tumeken's power still resides in you. I will require your assistance in this. Watch closely and emulate.
Friend, I am relieved to see that you are unharmed. And I would do so again, my sister. For millennia you have fought to regain the essence of our father, to become whole once more, and you have surrendered it again.
I hoped that reclaiming his light would fill the ravenous void that has feasted upon my heart since the day he left us. It did not, and when you died, I lost what little of it remained. I will not regret this sacrifice. You should rest, brother. As for I, your friend has given me much to ponder.
Take this opportunity to reflect with those present. You may return when you are ready. Enafos is a beautiful city, reminiscent of Oleg in its prime. It has been many years since I was last able to savor time on the surface, with my sister no longer posing a threat to the souls of the deceased. My responsibility has been made considerably easier. I am unaccustomed to spending such time with my own thoughts. My responsibilities were more than a necessity. They kept me focused. They distracted me from the darker recesses of my mind. Now, those thoughts, those emotions run rampant. Speaking to my father for the final time has calmed them, but the pain lingers. It is nothing I cannot endure. I have spoken of this to no one. Sharing it with you, it feels as though a great burden has been lifted from my heart. Mortals need no longer fear the Devourer's maw. This she has sworn. I will hold her to her word. That is appreciated, my friend. I am certain it is not easy after all that has transpired. As for where Amascut's path will take her, that is for her to decide. I see a future where we are once again united as siblings. This was only possible through your actions. The four aspects have arranged rewards befitting your heroism. Speak to me when you are ready, and I shall elaborate. You may also take these, along with my eternal gratitude. It is my pleasure. May the desert sun shine favorably upon you, from this day to the end of days.